Welcome back to Crypto Lovers Trading Group. A little bit before 9 a.m. It is Thursday morning. We are setting up the weekend, holiday weekend, low volume. Anticipate expected low volume. How will that impact these coins that are setting all-time highs in the cryptoverse, as well as coins that are breaking through demand barriers, okay, and supply barriers? Either way, up or down, like how is that going to affect the impact of this weekend, and how is that going to affect leverage trading? We're covering a lot of these altcoins today because the opportunity is presenting itself that there could be continued FOMO across the board for altcoins, okay, as a result of Ethereum tapping 3,800, Bitcoin tapping 50,000. Let's see what happens. We're talking Chainlink. Chainlink broke through that barrier we talked about earlier this week. That is bullish to us, but Chainlink has done this before. And will this rate of run-up sustain itself to the next level? That's what we're going to look at right here on the 4-hour. We're going to look at the two indicators that we're following, and we're going to look at what's the reality here that we could expect from Chainlink, which has basically been consolidating all summer long in that 20 to 30 zone, okay? Down from its all-time highs, okay, of late spring, right? And so we're going to open this baby up. We're going to take a look at it, and here's what the chart we're looking at. We've got this level right here at above, already approaching 80. Red hot. We are in that 70 to 80 red hot zone. Okay, so that is some caution that we've got to take a look at. We've got a gap here, though, and we're looking at. Okay, we've got two solid green candlesticks coming out. We have that one doji right here. Kind of dismiss that. We've been in pretty much a bullish run up all the way from 26. Got above 28. Here's that line from the previous video. We broke through. That's what we called. We needed to happen. We've confirmed above it. We've held some 1-hour candles. We've held a 3 or 4 4-hour candles above that first 28 barrier. And now we got to set our target at 32. That's where we want to go in order to get back to testing Link's all-time high levels, okay? Got to get it beyond that barrier that's presenting itself. But on the 4-hour, we are already at an elevated RSI. So that is a concern in terms of your open trades here. And so depending on what leverage you're at. Now, if you were an open trade from 24.75, okay, which I think was pretty much the average entry for most people in the group back on August 30th, okay, you've got to set your desired exit off of the next red candle that you see on the 1-hour or 4-hour, or whatever your comfort level may be, okay, depending on what happens. I personally, okay, not financial advice, you guys know that, am really looking forward to seeing what happens this weekend. It's a holiday weekend. Expect a lot lower volume. That lower volume can, mates, go against you. That is important to understand. If it is selling volume at low volume, it can drive the price down, okay, substantially. We've seen it happen on the weekends, okay? If it's buying volume at low volume, prices will substantially rise, okay? Oftentimes to the next barrier, okay, on the IO map, all right? And that's something to consider. You still have a relatively higher amount of Chainlink holders out of the money already. Okay, they're out of the money. Okay, because they bought Chainlink above $30 late spring. Okay, and so we want to start to see Link take those out, bring those people back into the money, break through the barrier of 32, and then get up to test 38 to 40. Right, that's realistically what we want. Can that happen? That can certainly happen on a very low holiday weekend if you're getting massive buying, if everyone is buying, okay? People have taken the week back, they're on the holiday, they're getting back into crypto, they're taking a look at things, they don't want to miss out, they understand, they think Chainlink can go back to its all-time high, then they start buying over the weekend. You don't have institutions involved, you don't really have any of that. Those people are on holiday, okay? And that's really how it rolls, okay? And so that's where you want to set your sell limits, your stop losses on your open trades. We talk about this, or open up a straddle method trade. Okay, so a straddle method is you're gonna open up in the opposite direction that you are. If you are long now, you're gonna open up a sell down as a hedge. Okay, going into the weekend. But it's very interesting. Chainlink is beginning to show signs of resurgence.